You might be wondering about how to find products offer better quality without a significantly high price. Okay, this is where our company steps in. So let's move on. Okay guys, so over here we have those wonderful bumpers. They are coming from different factories, but they are the same products, you know. But of course they have the difference between them. So over here, this bumper is more expensive than this one. Why? Of course it's because the quality. So then I'm gonna show you carefully where is the difference between them. Okay guys, so don't rush and let's do this. So the first one is the surface finish. Let's examine the surface quality. A high quality bumper typically has a smoother finish. Yeah, as you can see over here, this one is more smoother. Let me touch it. So let's go for the other one. Over here, you can see over here this one is not very smoother. So this is not only a proof that appearance but also reduce the risk of corrosion over time. But over here we can see these two products. You can see that this is the expensive one. So the second point right now is the hole and pushing quality. So over here we can see the hole between them. You can see, you can put on. Yeah, it's very small over here. But look at this one. Yeah, look at this one. Check it out. This is the second difference between these two products coming from two factories. Okay guys, so right now let's go to the fit. Over here we can see the difference between those two feet from these two different products. So over here you can see this feet is so thick, right? And the other one is so thinner. So this one is so thick like that. That means when we are connecting it with the truck, it's more stable. So the other one maybe can have some moves. So that's why this one is more expensive one, because they have very good high quality. This is the fit point. So right now let's go to the next step, is design details. So over here you can see the expensive one, we have a hole over here, and then the other one doesn't have. So what does mean? That means over here to install the fog lights is not very easy for you guys. And the other one, you can put your finger over here and install the fog lights, and you install it. So that's why this one is favorable, because they have this one. That's why it's very expensive in the design. Yeah, that helps for you to take off and put in the fog lights, and the other one doesn't have. So this is the difference between these two bumper covers.